Are you looking to get more signups for your upcoming camp or specialized clinic or workshop? Adding case studies or before and after stories to your sign-up pages is a great way to get those people to sign up and pay for your event beforehand. When people see that you have solved problems like theirs for other people, it's a huge way, it's a really great way to convince them that you're the person for them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add that information to your website or your sales pages and then share it with everyone.
Remember, when you're holding a clinic or camp or workshop, you're offering people a chance to better understand a problem that they have and offer a way to solve it. So make sure the whole process is simple, that it's simple for people to understand what you offer, how it will work, and what they'll achieve by the end of the event. So whether it's just a 3-hour event or a 3-day event, you want to keep everything simple so they know what they're getting, what they're getting into, and why they might have to pay a certain amount of money to go with you. All right, so we'll be using the example of a baseball pitching clinic, but you can use this approach for just about anything that you offer. So as I said, keep it simple. At the top, you want to state exactly what it is. And in this case, it's a pitching clinic for college level players. Okay, that tells you exactly who this is for and also why. Get ready for the Major League Baseball recruiters, the MLB recruiters. States the dates, and then to register and save your spot now. You're going to see this button with the same wording and the same styling throughout this page, and I'll go into that in just a moment. Then right below there you have some more detailed information. It's the same training as the top pros, what you get, increased velocity, stay in the strike zone, pitch harder but safer, a little bit more description here with the final sentence, which is really a big an important way to convince people even more that of what you offer. This is what we teach our World Series MVP pitchers. You should know what they know and how to do it. Workshop details, date, times, where, price, and again, there's that register and save your spot now button. And here's where you can insert a before and after story. Now in this case, these guys don't have exactly, one of those selfies where someone's like overweight and then they're really skinny in the next picture. But this is another way of doing it effectively. You can state something about the person, about the athlete, and then a little bit about their story, why they came to you, what their problems were, and then what happened after the workshop, after the clinic. He went from throwing 87 miles per hour to 96 miles per hour almost effortlessly. And you can see that in the pictures. Here they are first, measuring the speed of this pitcher, and the first time around it was 87 miles per hour, which I have to say is pretty impressive. But within a few days at the end of the clinic, he was pitching 96 miles per hour, and that is a huge leap. So that is proof, and I think when people see that, they'll say, wow, that's really amazing. And then right below that, again, there's that register and save your spot now button. Now the reason that this has been repeated throughout the page so far is that, look, your audience isn't dumb or stupid. They just need constant reminding of what to do, that you want them to take a certain action on this page. And you want to put it in some pretty strategic places. Notice at the very top we have it in the banner area, again after the description with all the details, and again after the success story. And it's not overdoing it. People need and believe it. They don't realize it sometimes, but they want to be reminded. So then you also want to state some kind of a very simple process, a very easy path that people can take in order to get what they're trying to achieve. So in this case, the header says our process is easy as 1, 2, 3. First, get an evaluation. We'll guide you through this and leave with a customized plan so that you can remember everything that you've learned during the workshop. And again, register and save your spot now, okay? You want to also add who you are, that you're the experts that are going to help your prospects achieve what they want to achieve. So you've got the coaches' pictures here with their names, with their bios. These are just dummy text paragraphs. And then you also want to add testimonials to the page. And this is really important because if you don't have any kind of before and after stories or pictures, then testimonials are really the next best thing. Testimonials alone can do a lot because they are social proof that what you do works. It has helped people solve problems. And if people come to your page and they see this, they'll say, oh, that guy had a problem just like me. Charlie and Randy can help me. Okay, and then you just want to finish it off here with another final call to action. Your dream is within your reach. Let's make it happen. Register and save your spot now. Yeah, you knew that was coming. Anyway, this is really a very effective sales page for a workshop or specialized clinic because, again, it tells people exactly what it's all about, what they're going to get, and all the details. It has a before and after story, and that's really, really, really critical because this will move people closer to a buying decision. When they've seen that you've helped other people with the same problems, they are going to want to work with you. All right. Well, I hope that this video has been helpful and that you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell for notifications so you'll know when my next video has been published. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon in my next video.